What up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Nothing major today. We're getting straight to the point. As always, lately I've been making short videos. We're not getting to the point just yet. I'm kind of upset because I uploaded a video the other day. It got taken down. The reason it got taken down was I was reacting to that Gymkhana 10. It was a dope video and I had some dope reactions to it. I've never reacted to anything before. And I saw it, I just reacted to it, uploaded it, and Amazon was like, nope, we own the rights to that ish, take it down. So it blocked it, and it was YouTube blocked it with rights owned by Amazon. So I just went ahead and took it down. But my basic review on it, since I won't give y'all a reaction, my review is Gymkhana 10 was pretty good. I don't think it was the best one though. Yeah, I certainly don't think it was the best one. It was dope though. It was pretty dope. I like Sweden is one of my top ones. Sweden, LA, Detroit, Texas, and then I'll probably put Mexico last. It was 5 of them, but it was pretty good. So that kind of made me mad that I uploaded that video and they took it away. It only because I had, got dark. Only because I had the video playing in the right hand corner, like over here somewhere, or it was actually over in this corner, and you know, the sounds or whatever, they said take it down, so I took it down. So that's what it was. But today I'm gonna put the center console back in the RSX. I haven't driven the RSX in a while. I haven't done anything to the MR2. I might go pick up some used tires this week or next week or sometime and put those on those rims so that I'll have, you know, matching rollers or whatever. Now this turbo is for sale. The turbo and wastegate is for sale. Turbo, wastegate, and 2JZ manifold and downpipe for an NA2JZ is for sale. So, with that being said, if you know anyone with an NA2J or anyone that's looking for a turbo, that's a twin scroll precision 6165. It should make about 650 to 700 horsepower. And it comes with a wastegate, but this one's a twin scroll. It's a 0.68 AR on the exhaust side. It's a 0.70 on the intake side. If you know anybody looking for a turbo, hit me up. Let me know. If you know they popping and they could give me some clout, you can get it for free. You know what I'm saying? Give me a couple of them things, subscriber things. You know, no, I'm just playing. But hit me up if you know anybody looking to buy a turbo. It is for sale. I'll trade for K-Series parts if anybody out there got K-Series parts. I need a freaking, I'm about to say V-band. I need a freaking K-Pro. I need a 90mm throttle body, K-tune throttle body. So if you got that, hit me up. We could, you know, put something together and make a trade. And I don't know what else I'll need. I'll need other little odds and ends here and there. So if y'all got that, just let me know and we could trade something or we could make something work. But on that note, let's get cracking and working on the RSX a bit and getting the interior back together. I'll probably, I don't even know, man, it's kind of tight in here. I'm gonna put the interior back on the inside and then we'll go from there and see what happens. As you can see, and you guys remember, I did switch the cable out. I just forgot to put this back on, and then I'm gonna put the cover underneath there that covers up the ECU and that little kick panel right there. That's all I need to put back in here, but it'll be a quick little fix. I figure I'd make a video since I haven't uploaded a video in a while. Also looking for a radio, probably double den. If anybody out there got one, hit me up. If anybody's parting out of RSX, let me know. I'll grab some parts. Alright, for those of y'all that want to know how to put the interior, or at least this part back in, all you do, you just slide this part over all this, and you make sure you plug in the cigarette lighter plug in the back. And then now up here, you're just gonna pull it forward. You got little holes and little clips back here. Oh, you can't see it. You got some little holes and some little clips. Some little clips down there. You see these little holes right here. Make sure they line up. And all you do, you go ahead and you slide this forward. It's hard to do with one hand, but I'm gonna see if I can knock it out for you guys. Go ahead and you slide that forward. You'll see the clips. They'll go ahead and line up. I'm not going to even edit this video like that. But yeah, you see those little clips right there? They lined up, and then down the side right here, right there, they lock into place as well on both sides. You see this one's not in. Now it's in. So it locked in right there. And now what you do is I put those screws back in, and then I put the that little cover part back in up here, and it'll keep it. And you also got 2 screws back here on each side of this on each side. So there's 2 screws, one on this side and then one on this side. So that's how you put this part back in. Went and got the little cover back on under here, and I couldn't find the clips, so you guessed it, went ahead and put them JDM zip ties on there, holding it up. It's not gonna go anywhere. Got a JDM zip tie over here, got a JDM zip tie over here, and we cracking. This not going anywhere. This gonna be there. Hopefully it's in there right. I think it's rattling a little bit. I think it's right though. But then I got this little kick panel back on. That's in there sturdy as well. Eventually I need to fix the driver's side. It's rattling, but we should be good. We're looking nice up under here. So we'll go ahead and end this vlog here in a bit. Yo, but I went ahead and got that stuff situated for the RSX. Not gonna do much more in the garage tonight. That was just a short video. I needed to get it done, so I figured I'll vlog while doing it. I don't record much while I'm working. I guess I need to start doing that and showing you guys, like, you know, the process of doing everything. But it's a lot easier to just work and show you guys the end results. So that's what I've been doing. Now for 2018, we accomplished a lot. We made it to 1,000 subscribers. We had a couple features on a couple other channels. You know, shout out to everyone that support us. Shout out to everyone that went ahead and purchased the sticker and is rocking the sticker on their vehicle. I know it's not much, or it might not mean much to other people, but it means a lot to me. Like, the little bit that you guys spend with me, I don't even sell much stickers. I think I sold like maybe 6 or 7 stickers. That's it. And just everyone purchasing one, it just means a lot to me. So I really appreciate you guys stopping by the storefront, purchasing those stickers. We'll get shirts here soon, and I'm looking forward to those because I could wear them in my video, show them off, and show, you know, people that I'm doing something that's worthwhile. Like, YouTube to me means a lot. So we accomplished a lot in 2018, and for 2019, I'm hoping that we could accomplish a lot more. Oh, that little thingy in my screen is like bugging the mess out of me. I'll get it out. Oh, there we go. But for 2019, I'm hoping we could accomplish a lot more. My camera's dying, by the way. So I'm hoping to get the MR2 finished in 2019, which is possible. I just need a few more things to start it. The turbo on the MR2 right now is for sale, along with a 2JZ along with a 2JZ manifold and downpipe for an NA2JZ for an IS 300. So if you have an IS and you want to turbo it, I got a turbo, wastegate, and manifold and downpipe that you could purchase. So hit me up on Instagram or hit me up in the comments and we could communicate. So with that being said, I really appreciate you guys for 2018. 2019 should be a bigger year for me. That's it for tonight. I'm not going to sit here and talk your ear off. I will go more in depth in a new video of what to come in 2019 and what I have planned in 2019. Obviously some stuff with the RSX. Obviously try to finish the MR2. But that's beyond the point. I'm not going to beat a dead horse. Like, share, and subscribe. Come back and check me out and figure it out. Peace!